If you have been thinking how to start an AI business in 2025, I'm going to show you how to do it in just 30 days. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Monica, and in 2024, I have taught over 200 people how to start and grow successful AI businesses. Okay, now let's have a look at the SOP and see how we can launch your business in the next 30 days. All right, so the first stage is days 1 to 7. You're going to learn the basics. You're going to start with learning some simple skills. And no, you don't need to have any coding or tech skills or learn how to code, but you do need to learn specific skills like prompt engineering, how to build automations, how to build custom GPTs, agents, and so forth. So this is the first thing you're going to do. And the more you do it during the first 7 days, the more skillful you will get and the more knowledge you will get as well. The next stage is days 8 till 10, and you're going to choose a problem to solve. So think about your audience. Think about whether you have a business already and maybe there's something that you can solve with AI there, or you have friends that have businesses. Some of the really, really easy problems to solve are content generation, lead generation, email management, and so forth. And then I want you to list some common problems, and I want you to pick just one problem to solve. Next, let me just unhide it. Then days 11 to 17, you're going to build a minimum viable product, or some people call it minimum viable offer. Whatever that is, I want you to build a beta version, whether this is a custom GPT, an automation, an agent, a skeleton of a course, a membership, or a program, whatever you want to sell. I want you to build some sort of a beta version and keep it as simple as possible. And your solution right now needs to solve only one simple problem. And then you will need to go and find some beta testers. I'm pretty sure you have plenty of connections, friends on social media, so you can approach several people and ask them if they want to be your free beta testers. And most people will say yes, because if it doesn't cost them anything, a lot of people will say yes. And the next thing we need to do as soon as we start launching our beta version, we need to start building credibility on social media, because when you first come into the market, your credibility is actually zero. So you need to build a content database that solves micro problems for your niche. And then you need to start posting, hopefully on a daily basis, and hopefully video content. And if you want to amplify that, you can start running very cheap $2 and $5 ads, video ads that will solve these problems and have a simple call to action. And this call to action, by the way, doesn't have to be build my stuff. It can be to get a lead magnet or to comment with any sort of thoughts. Whatever that simple thing is, try to build an audience before you start selling to them. Then days 21 to 25, we're going to collect feedback from our beta testers. We're going to follow up with them. We're going to ask them some clarifying questions. And then based on this feedback, you are going to make improvements as fast as possible, and you'll fix any problems they might have had. And the last phase that we have here is days 26 to 30. You're going to announce your product. You're going to offer a launch discount. So it's going to be not a beta test. It's going to be a beta price for your launch. And you're going to start approaching first your beta testers and see if they want to pay the beta price. Then you're going to find people again on your email list, on your social media, however you want to find them, and see if you can start getting your very first customers. And if you do all that, you should be ready to launch a simple problem, a simple solution to a simple problem within 30 days and possibly even have your first couple of sales.